Alright, what I got on the table today is a little bit different, yet exactly the same as everything else I bring. It's this Windows 98 box I built probably about a year ago or so. The idea was none of my nieces will ever know some of the pains of the older systems that, I grew up with. So I built them this Windows 98 box, and has just been sitting at my mom's house. It's never been hooked up. So I brought it back home today. So, wow, it's still cold. I just pulled it out of the back of my truck. It's been sitting there for a couple hours. So let's fire this up, see what we have. Can't remember if it's F1 or delete. Oh, is it even working? Hold on a second. Alright, I got it to come up, and apparently it's 233 megahertz. With 256 megs of RAM. And it didn't want to go into the BIOS. So we'll just see what I did while I was at it. I actually think the system's too cold right now. But in a few minutes I'm going to take this apart and show you what's in it. It's a weird case to disassemble, so maybe when I'm ready to do that I'll just shut the camera off, take a couple still pictures of it coming apart, and then actually, I can take part of it off now. These clips here and here. And then the case slides off this way. Ooh, I gotta grab a screwdriver before I do that. Alright, Windows. I do have a PS2 mouse plugged in. Just one more second. Okay, while I was taking the deal with the mouse situation, which apparently was not plugged all the way until it clicked, I took that screw out. And running, got a desk this huge, and I'm running out of space. I'm actually about to build a second one on that side of my TV stand. So it really wants to set up this monitor, but I'm not going to let it. See all those MS-DOS icons there? I'll show you what that's about in a second. So with the exception of the internet connection sharing, that's it. This has a Yamaha something sound card, I forget what. I think it's the OPL3SA, mainly because that's what it says. So what do we have on here? There is a disc in that drive. Oh wow, I put a 40 gig in this? There is the CD, but it's so fogged over, I guess I can't read. Let's see if that helped. It's funny, when I was building this system, I've realized my NTFS flash drives don't work. Just see if it needs that disc at all. I guess not. So there's a couple games here. Got Math Rescue. Amtech. Apparently that just quit. Never mind. Well, let's just get to the good stuff. I mean, I've got a couple games on here. Word Rescue Math, Castle, Donald Duck's Playground. You can read some of them. The one on the bottom right there is Story Maker something. But, shut this down and open her up. Just 1 second. I forgot just how well that case fits. So what we got here is a 24x CD-ROM, apparently a Western Digital Caviar, 40 gig hard drive. We have an S3 Verge N1C3BD video, slot load 233 processor. Honestly, I think that's actually more than that. I think the BIOS is just tricking me. No, it is 233. I guess 1 stick of memory. I've got that Yamaha sound card, and it does have a game port and a. Is this one of my 3Com 3Com network. This is a 250 watt. It just says SH on it, but it seems to have lasted this long. And I'm going to turn around to the other side real quick. And here she is from the back. Oh, this came from Dave's Electronics. That's right down the street from me. Typical slew of onboard junk. Got the S3 video. Hey, sorry about that, bro. Network and the sound card. I planned on putting a modem in this to, like I said, you know, my niece is 6 years old. She'll never know the pains of dial-up. So the idea was to see if NetZero still had free accounts and make her dial up to the internet. Then again, I can still do that with the current computer that she's running. So I might do that anyway, just because. Wow, somebody paid $50 for that, and that's US. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this now that I have it back. Might keep it and maybe make a mono wall or something out of it for my network, or just keep it around. Oh yeah, and just one more second. And as UXW Bill says, real computers have floppy drives. With that being said, I think I've said all I can really say about this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.